Hey, quick question. You've probably heard the advice, just fake it till you make it, right? And yeah, it might work for a day or two, maybe even a short stretch. But here's the truth. You can't fake confidence every single day. Not in real life. Not long term. Confidence isn't pretending. It's not putting on a mask and hoping people believe it. Real confidence comes from small, everyday habits repeated over time. Stick with me, and I'll show you habits that make your confidence unshakable. At work, in social situations, or anywhere you need it. By the end, you'll know exactly what to start doing tomorrow. Habit number 1. Positive self-dialogue. Talk to yourself. Don't trash yourself. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You mess up something tiny, like forgetting a word in a conversation, and instantly your brain goes, "Ugh, I'm such an idiot." We all do it. But here's the question. Would you ever talk to your best friend like that? Probably not. So why do we trash talk ourselves every single day? Confidence isn't built by magically waking up fearless. It's built by how you treat yourself in those little everyday moments. Next time your inner voice starts roasting you, flip the script. Instead of, "I'm terrible at this," try, "I'm learning this and I'm getting better every day." At first, it might feel silly, but do this consistently and your brain will start believing it. And when your brain believes it, that's when real confidence kicks in. Quick question. What's one negative thought you're going to reframe today? Comment below. Let's start flipping it together. Habit number 2. Keep micro promises to yourself. Here's a simple one that gets overlooked. If a friend kept breaking promises to you, how long would you trust them? Not very long, right? Now think about yourself. How often do you make promises to yourself? I'll exercise today. I'll finish that task. I'll stick to my plan. And then just ignore them. Start small. Make tiny promises you can keep, like drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, sending that email, or reading one page of a book. Every time you follow through, your brain learns, "Hey, I can rely on me." That's the foundation of self-trust. And self-trust is basically the foundation of confidence. Habit number 3. Step into discomfort. Confidence grows in the stretch zone. Okay, let's be real. Everyone wants confidence, but no one wants those awkward, uncomfortable moments that actually build it. Think about the first time you spoke up in class, or the first time you walked into a gym. Heart racing, palms sweaty, everyone staring at you, right? Here's the funny part. Nobody actually cares as much as you think. Confidence doesn't grow sitting in your comfort zone. It grows when you do something that scares you just a little. Not something huge that paralyzes you, just small stretches. If you avoid eye contact, hold it for 3 seconds longer. Hate speaking up in meetings? Ask one small question. Each little stretch stacks. Your brain goes, "Hey, I survived. That wasn't so bad." And that's how unstoppable confidence is built. Tiny challenges, big rewards, like leveling up in a video game. Here's a challenge. Do one tiny uncomfortable thing today. Comment what it is. I want to see you take that first step. Habit number 4. Build competence, confidence loop. Here's a little secret most people overlook. Confidence grows when you actually know you can handle things. Think back to learning how to drive. Terrifying at first, right? But after practice, you got it. That's competence to confidence loop. It works the same in life. Want to feel more confident at work? Pick one small skill, practice it, and actually use it. Want confidence around people? Practice one social skill each week. Each tiny proof adds to your confidence bank. Over time, you walk into situations thinking, "I've got this," because deep down, you know you do. What's one skill you could practice this week to boost your confidence? Comment below. Let's make it happen. Habit number 5. Power of body language and presence. Here's something crazy. Your body literally leads your mind. Picture 2 people walking into a room. One slouches, avoids eye contact, fidgets. The other stands tall, shoulders back, calm eye contact. Who do you notice first? Yep, The second one, you don't need to feel confident first. Stand like it. Speak like it. Own your space. Even small things, straightening your posture, slowing your breathing, or speaking a little slower, make your brain go, hey, I've got this. Little tweaks like this can completely change how you carry yourself, and people notice it too. Drop a comment if you feel the shift. Habit number 6, curate your environment plus build a support system. Okay, let's get real. Confidence doesn't grow in a vacuum. If you spend all your time around negative people, constant gossip, or endless doom scrolling, your confidence is going to tank. Guaranteed. So step 1, cut the toxic. It's simple but powerful. Step 2, add energizers. Find mentors, friends, or accountability partners who lift you up instead of dragging you down. Even one person who genuinely believes in you can make a massive difference. Imagine this. You have a friend cheering for every small win. Suddenly, you start seeing yourself differently. Like, hey, maybe I can do this. That's how confidence compounds when your circle supports you. Who's one person that lifts you up? Tag them in the comments and let them know. Small gestures like this actually boost your confidence too. Habit number 7, daily self-reflection and acceptance. Here's a game changer that most people skip. Reflection. At the end of the day, take a minute or two to ask yourself, what went well today? What's one thing I'm proud of? What's one thing I want to improve tomorrow? And here's the important part. Accept yourself while you do it. Your flaws, your mistakes, your quirks, they're all part of the package. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being okay with being you right now. Imagine looking in the mirror each night and genuinely thinking, I handled today as best I could. That simple act starts building a quiet, steady confidence that sticks. Try it tonight. Comment one thing you're proud of today. I'll read as many as I can, and trust me, it's going to feel good. Habit number 8, adopt a growth mindset. Most people think confidence is fixed. I'm shy, I'm not a leader, I can't do this. But here's the truth. Confidence is a muscle. You grow it, you practice it, you push it a little every day. Instead of saying, I can't, try saying, I'm learning this. Every small step, asking one question, trying something new, speaking up, adds up. Over time, your brain starts believing, yeah, I've got this. And here's a pro tip. If you want to go deeper, I've made a full video on mindset shifts that change how you approach challenges. Watch it after this one. It's a perfect complement to these habits. Which area are you going to push yourself in today? Drop it in the comments. Even one tiny step counts. Big picture layer. Confidence is compound interest. If you're still struggling, pause for a sec and ask yourself, where's this doubt coming from? Past failures? Comparing yourself to others? Criticism? Awareness is step 1. Once you know the source, combine it with the habits we just covered. Here's the kicker. Confidence and self-esteem work like compound interest. Tiny wins, repeated consistently, grow into something massive. You might not notice the change day by day, but over weeks and months, it becomes unshakable. Imagine walking into a room and feeling calm, collected, and sure of yourself. Not because you faked it, but because your habits built real trust in yourself. That's the power of stacking small, consistent wins. All right, let's quickly recap the habits that build unshakable confidence and self-esteem. Talk kindly to yourself. Keep micro-promises. Step into discomfort. Build competence. Own your body language. Curate your environment. Reflect and accept yourself. Adopt a growth mindset. Which habit are you going to start with today? Comment below. I want to cheer you on every step of the way. And of course, if this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs a confidence boost, and subscribe for more practical growth strategies. Oh, and for even deeper mindset shifts that supercharge your confidence, check out this video here. Keep stacking those small wins and watch your confidence grow every single day.